It's got some fun. A triangle has side lengths of 3 consecutive integers and a perimeter of 36. What are the 3 lengths? Again, we got this triangle with side lengths of 3 consecutive integers. That means one right after the other, and a perimeter of 36. What are the 3 lengths? Let's take a look at this one. Let's see how this is going to work. First of all, let's play with it a little bit. Because when we're thinking of 3 consecutive integers, what does that mean? What does that mean? What's an integer? Well, integers are like 1, 2, 3, 4. They're counting numbers. Okay. Oh, they could be negative, but not on triangle, okay? Perhaps 5, 6, 7. Those would be consecutive integers, 3 of them, all right? So what we're thinking of, let's find some that not just any 3 consecutive integers, but they've got to add up to, perimeter means 36, all right? So you say, Ernie, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Well, we could play with it. We could just get in a lot of numbers. We could probably eventually find it. I guarantee you we probably could if we went long enough. But let's do a little algebra. Let's do a little application on this, all right? Because the consecutive integers, what we're going to do, we're going to let n equal the first integer. Okay? I don't know what it is. We're going to pretend I don't know what it is anyway. Here we go, the first integer. The next one is going to be 1 more. So we're going to write that as n plus 1. That's going to be our second integer. Okay, got that all? Everybody go with me? And let's go one more notch. How about it? N plus 2. And that would be the third integer. Okay, so what happens with these things? It says the perimeter is 36. Now, folks, when we take a perimeter of a triangle, we add all 3 sides together. So this is the first integer. Actually, this is a side. This is a side. And this represents a side. Okay, so they are integers, but they also represent sides. So they're one right after the other, increased by 1 each time. So let's add these 3 pieces together and see where we're going to go with it. It's got to come out even, right? You say it's got to come out even. Let's see what happens. All right, we're going to take n plus our n plus 1 plus n plus 2, and we're going to say that equals 36. So you see, first plus second plus third, we got a perimeter of 36 units. This might be feet, might be inches. It really doesn't say in the problem. It's just going to let us go with units, all right? Let's see what happens. I have 3 n's. Notice I said 3 n's because there's 1 plus 1 plus 1. That gives me 3 of them. So I got 3n. I've got a 3 to add on to that, and 36 hang on the other side. Now, let's do like we do good old pre-algebra and algebra things. All right, we subtract 3 both sides. Clean this thing up a little bit. And let's see, we will have 3n equaling to, looks like 33. Subtract 3 off from 36. And let's divide it out. We got n equaling to 11. Good answer? Well, it's an answer. Let's check and see if it's good. First of all, let's put an 11 right here for n. Let's put 12 right here for n plus 1. Why did I do that? Because 11 plus 1 is 12, yes. And let's add 2 to that 11, and that gives us 13. And let's check. Do they add up to 36? Folks, they really do. 1, 2, 3 gives us a 6. 1, 1, 1, 36. We are good to go. So the 2 requirements, 36, inches, feet, whatever we're going to use there, and the consecutive integers, 11, 12, 13, both are met. Both are met.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.